Forward Police Department operator 139. What's the location you're calling about? Is this a house apartment or business?
It's a business. It's Vape City is the name.
Vape City. What's going on there?
Well, I'm one of the associates working, and we just had a guy come in with like a box in his hands and a crowbar, and he stole a bunch of nicotine juices. He stole some water pipes, and then he tried to shatter one of our cases with his crowbar, but he couldn't.
And you said he stole a couple of items?
Yeah, he stole a couple of things and broke some stuff, and then he just walked out and left. Didn't say anything to me.
Okay, I do already have a call out for officers to respond out to that location. Aside from the crowbar, did he have any other weapons?
No, not that I could tell. I just saw a cardboard box and then a crowbar in his hand.
Okay. Have a call out for officers. They should be pulling up here shortly. I just want you to stay on the line with me until they arrive, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
He's running across the creek. He's heading towards behind Bank of America. Can somebody get over there quick? Somebody get over to the Bank of America. Black male carrying a 10 backpack. Show me your hands! Back here, in the backyard of the red barn. Show me your hands! Nope. Show me your hands! Nope. I need a unit here, one house to the right of Federal Court. Show me. I'm gonna shoot you! I'm gonna shoot you! You kill me? Back up, yes! Back up! 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 Back up!